It is almost time for annual tax filing. And while paying taxes is not anybody's favorite subject, saving money is. So I wanted to ask, have you made any home improvements that you think might be tax deductible? Or have you bought or sold any property lately? And are you prepared with the right documentation so that you can lower your taxable income? You're probably aware that interest on a qualifying mortgage, as well as property taxes paid and broker commissions, are tax deductible. However, there are sometimes other legitimate expenses that get completely overlooked, such as when points are paid to secure a mortgage. Whether these are paid by the buyer or the seller on behalf of the buyer, they can typically qualify as interest and be tax deductible. And what about home improvements? Just recently, one of my clients who sold their home last year told me that they hadn't realized that they should be saving all of these receipts, and they were really stressed when it came time to file their taxes. So I wanted to share their story with you. They had decided to rebuild a deck themselves in order to save money, and there were several purchases over time for wood, nails, screws, stains, sealant, and the list goes on. At the time, it seemed like some of these expenses were kind of small, but they actually added up when you put them all together. Unfortunately, they didn't think ahead that they could save even more money on this deck by cataloging these receipts for a future tax deduction when they sold their home. So, when you undertake any type of home improvement, it's a good practice to save your receipts and notate on the receipt what the expense is for. And you should also think about how to save your documentation. I know that some people still love to save paper and put it in a file at home, but paper receipts can fade over time, making them really hard to read. A better practice is actually to take a picture of that receipt or scan it, and then immediately save it to a Google Drive folder or iCloud Drive, wherever you catalog all of your electronic documents. Later, you can go in and rename the file for that photo or receipt so that it's easy to search for later, such as deck repair, Ace Hardware, nails. For more information about what types of home improvements typically qualify for tax deductions and might mitigate capital gains expenses, you can take a look at IRS Publication 523 for more information on this topic. You can search for it online or just contact me and I would be happy to send it to you. Thanks so much for watching and good luck with filing your taxes.